Hello everyone, welcome to the dox42 booth. I'm Louis-Marie Richard and I'm a dox42 expert, and especially in my field of activity with dox42 is the extension and the development of custom integrations such as data sources or custom output actions. And the demo today is to show you a success story, a project we did in August, which is the integration between dox42 and Skribble for one of our joint customer. Skribble is one of our partner. It's a Swiss company which is specialized in digital signature. And they provide a full digitalized process for digital signature with legally binding. The customer is easyJet Switzerland, and easyJet Switzerland, as an aircraft company, operates in Switzerland and in the whole Europe. So in the last time, easyJet was asked to provide to the regulatory authorities in Switzerland some documents to prove that their employees had reduced work time. And then they had the issue to generate document and to let these documents signed per each of their employee. So the problem was we had to generate individual documents, we had to retrieve individual signatures, and most of the employees doesn't have access to an office computer. So this was the basis of our project. We had 4 main constraints. In the constraint we had to generate documents for each of the employee. We had to have a legally suitable signature regarding the Swiss laws. We need to have a simple process for users, especially for users who doesn't have to create an account or to be able to complete the process with only a smartphone. And we need to have a global vision for the human resource people. So what we put in place in the final process was a process in 4 steps. The first step was that the human resources has to provide and to prepare an Excel spreadsheet with all of the mandatory data. Then they provided this Excel file to the dox42 server. At the end of the generation, dox42 just contact Skribble site through APIs, and Skribble take the lead on the following process to notify the end users and retrieve the signature. At the end, the human resources people has the ability to retrieve all the signed documents. So what you can see here is the ability of dox42 add-in to manage the template. You can see that there is some part in the template which are the same for all of the customers, all of the employees, and there is specific data regarding the employee, specific data regarding the employee too, and here you have the period which is the same for the whole employee. At the end, we can show the result. The result is the document that the employee receives on his email, and you can see that the placeholder signer, which is at the end of the document here, is visible in a Skribble display here. The key information, the key data that we have around this project is that around 1,000 documents were generated and sent during the first batch. These documents were generated and sent in less than 1 hour. 97% of the documents were signed within 3 days, as the mailing done per Skribble has reached directly the employees, and this project was done in almost 10 days within the kickoff of the project to the first sending. At the end of the project, we had the opportunity to have one feedback from Sarah Jackson, who is the HR country manager from easyJet Switzerland, and she was very delighted to achieve this project with us, as dox42, Skribble, and your servitor for the integration side. So if you want to try the process, you can go and scan just this QR code. You will be landed to a dox42 live instance. You have just a few data to provide, and in less of 10 seconds you will receive one document to be signed directly on your email address. Finally, the key information about this project is that this is a project which is hosted online with the capabilities of dox42 online, and it is also available for on-prem instances. The templates and the data maps are hosted over CDN for easyJet. The used data sources are some Excel spreadsheets. The specificities is that you need the digital signing custom output action for Skribble and a running contract with Skribble for the purpose of the signature. The customer in this case is in the aeronautics, and the output format was PDF for the needs of the digital signature. So thank you for your attention, and I can answer some questions if you have some.